Install automobile key clamp on SAC9. Insert 2 decoders into the machine. Press Setup and first Next button to enter the clamp calibration interface. It is a very important step, please don't miss it. Press Start button to calibrate the distance between decoder and cutter. Fix calibration block on the top level of clamp and pay attention to the position. Click the picture to continue. Click the picture to continue. Take out automobile key clamp. Install tubular key clamp. Press tubular key clamp to continue. Press decoder button and choose tubular key clamp to calibrate the decoder length. Remove the right decoder and insert a cutter. Press cutter button and choose tubular key clamp to calibrate the cutter length.